Are you tired of vacuuming and mopping your floors every week? Well, today we're gonna dive deep into the 5 best robot vacuum and mops in 2025. Whether you need help with pet hair, sticky spills, or full-on deep cleaning, there's a robot here that'll transform how you clean. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below, and if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Roborock Q8 Max Plus, our pick for the best robot vacuum for most people. This one might not come with every premium feature under the sun, but it nails the basics with impressive consistency. It delivers strong 5,500 Pascal suction, a dual rubber brush system that handles everything from crumbs to pet hair, and a surprisingly effective side brush for cleaning along edges. Its mopping feature is simple but works well for regular maintenance, which is ideal for anyone who just wants their floors looking fresh every few days without hassle. The auto-empty dock saves you time, only needing attention every few weeks. The Q8 Max Plus also runs quietly, maps accurately, and has a clean, user-friendly app. With up to 180 minutes of battery life and decent obstacle avoidance, it offers dependable cleaning without the usual drama. At around $400 to $500 with the dock included, it's an incredible value for what you get. If you're just starting out with robot vacuums or want something reliable without blowing your budget, this is the one I recommend to 90% of people. Coming in at number 4, we have the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra, our pick for the best advanced robot vacuum and mop. This one's for the smart home geeks and tech lovers. With a massive 10,000 Pascal suction power and dual roller brushes, it pulls dirt out of carpets better than some corded vacuums. But it doesn't stop there. Its sonic mopping system vibrates 3,000 times per minute to scrub off dried stains, making it a beast on hard floors too. What really sets it apart is the AI-powered obstacle detection. It uses a front-mounted camera to identify over 60 types of objects, including pet messes, cords, and even shoes. You can customize everything in the app: suction level per room, different mop patterns, cleaning schedules, and even 3D maps of your house. The base station is fully automated with mop washing, dustbin emptying, clean water refilling, and even a compartment for cleaning solution. Priced around $1,600 to $1,800, it's definitely for power users. But if you're someone who loves having full control and wants the smartest cleaning robot on the market, the S8 Max V Ultra is tough to beat. Next at number 3, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo J10 Plus, our pick for the best smart cleaning performance. iRobot finally figured out how to elegantly merge vacuuming and mopping without any clunky attachments or messy transitions. The J10 Plus uses a retractable mop that deploys only on hard floors and lifts out of the way on carpets, giving you a worry-free experience. Its signature brush system is exceptional for pulling in fine dust, pet hair, and larger debris, and it's one of the few robots that actually cleans corners well. But the real win here is its intelligence. iRobot's AI-powered navigation doesn't rely on LiDAR like others, but it still performs incredibly well with actively avoiding cables, small objects, and pet accidents with surprising accuracy. The app experience is arguably the most refined in the industry, offering smart cleaning recommendations, maintenance reminders, and easy scheduling tools. You'll be paying a premium price, anywhere from $1,800 to $2,000, but the reliability and mature software make it feel worth it. If you're someone who prioritizes long-term consistency, ease of use, and smart automation, the J10 Plus will feel like an investment that pays off every single day. Sliding into number 2, we have the Dream L10S Ultra Gen 2, our pick for the best value robot vacuum and mop. Dream has taken a giant leap forward with this Gen 2 model, fixing earlier complaints and packing in features you'd expect on $1,500 plus machines. You get 5,300 Pascal suction power and a smart mop lifting system that raises the mop pad's 10.5 millimeters when it detects carpet so your rugs stay dry. The base station handles it all from dustbin emptying to hot water mop washing and even drying the pads with heated air. Its app is impressively smooth and lets you set virtual zones, adjust water usage, and fine-tune cleaning preferences. The build quality feels premium, the sensors are reliable, and the brushes are designed to resist hair tangles. With up to 180 minutes of battery life, it covers large homes with ease. At $600 to $800, the L10's Ultra Gen 2 hits A, which is perfect balance between price and performance. If you want a flagship quality experience without flagship pricing, this is the robot vacuum that'll leave you wondering how it's not more expensive. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ecovacs Dbot X2 Omni, our pick for the best premium robot mop system. This robot is a dream for anyone obsessed with spotless hard floors. Its standout feature is the dual spinning mop pads that scrub with real downward pressure, removing even dried-on messes that most robots just glide over. The massive all-in-one base station is like a full cleaning assistant. It empties the dustbin, refills clean water, washes the mop pads with hot water, and even dries them to prevent mold and odors. The navigation is laser precise, and you can easily create no-go zones, set room-specific routines, and track detailed maps. While the 8,000 Pascal suction is great for carpets, where it truly shines is on tile, laminate, and hardwood in high-traffic areas like kitchens and entryways. Priced at around $1,200 to $1,400, it's a luxury option. But if you want floors that look freshly mopped every day without lifting a finger, the Dbot X2 Omni is in a league of its own. It's ideal for busy households or anyone who's done with dragging out a bucket and mop ever again.